Venmo defaults to public transactions, meaning your activity is visible to your friends. This can lead to unwanted attention or exposure of financial habits. This video shows you how to control your privacy on Venmo, hiding transactions, and your friends list, protecting you from prying eyes and potential cyberbullying. We'll cover updates through December 2025, including new privacy features. The most fundamental step is setting transactions to private before you send or receive money. After initiating a transaction, there will be an option to set visibility to public, friends, or private. Select private to ensure only you and the recipient or sender can see the transaction. You can also change the privacy setting for past transactions individually, but ensure it is set correctly at the time of the transaction. As of March 2024, a privacy mode toggle was introduced in app settings. This helps by automatically setting all transactions to private without needing to select it each time. Venmo introduced a privacy mode toggle in March 2024. Find this in your app settings. Enabling privacy mode automatically sets all future transactions to private by default, preventing accidental public shares. This is a crucial step for maintaining consistent privacy and ensures you don't have to manually select private each time. Remember to double-check that the toggle is active. While you can't completely hide your friends list from your public profile, you can manage who sees your activity. Hiding friends is primarily done by removing them from your list or blocking them. Blocking someone prevents them from seeing your past and future activity, including transactions. Go to the person's profile and select the option to unfriend or block them. Blocking a user on Venmo is the most effective way to ensure they cannot see any of your activity, past or present. This includes transactions and profile information. To block someone, navigate to their profile and select the block option. Be aware that they will also be unable to send you payments or requests. After blocking, you will no longer be able to pay each other, view each other's future payments, view or interact with profiles, or mention each other. Consider this carefully before blocking, as it is a complete privacy measure that prevents any mutual financial interactions. There is a growing trend towards privacy-focused payment apps as users increasingly prioritize control over their financial data. Venmo itself has seen significant growth in privacy usage, with a 40% rise in private transactions from 2023 to 2025, according to their reports. Experts predict that Venmo may adopt more advanced privacy features in the future, such as blockchain-based solutions for enhanced security. However, it's important to remember that Venmo will always balance privacy with its social sharing features, which are core to the platform's appeal. As of 2025, there has been no addition of end-to-end encryption, which means transactions are not fully anonymous. Keep an eye on future updates to see how Venmo evolves its privacy offerings.